Hey guys, Chlorine King here. We're here at a client's house. We're going to change out a drain cover and bring it up to Virginia Grand Baker Act code. I do want to quickly show you the difference between a Virginia Grand Baker Act and a non-compliant cover.
You didn't even introduce me.
Blooper number one. Alright guys, Chlorine.
Sometimes you'll see a fourth pipe that's off to the side, you know, normally, generally speaking.
We're only there to clean our pool, not to maintain all the toys and pick up after their kids. So, I mean, one time I pulled a Barbie doll out of a suction line head. Yeah, that'd be for the highlight reel. So that should really help you guys succeed in the business. So if I had to sum things up, the keys to success are: you want to be reliable, you want to be professional, you want to be I'm having a brain fart. What in the actual was I trying to say? So that's why I like muriatic acid, sulfuric acid, just so you have to deal with the sulfates in the future. But as far as, you know, chemicals you can put down the skimmer, you know, things like dichlorine, trichlor, granular, of course, go ahead and put it down the skimmer, because that, wait. I was so close to being done. Do not put that stuff down on the skimmer. That will destroy your equipment. So that's why it's so important to make sure that, you know, you're cautious of where you're putting your chemical jugs and stuff like that, so you're not possibly staining their deck or anything like that. Phone, damn it, I forgot to turn it off. Now I gotta redo this. Hey guys, Chlorine King here. Time for another vlog. Today's topic, before we get started, check out this sweet Pentair hat. Love it. Camo. Nice. Before we get started on today's topic, I just said that. God, it's so impossible to give content to you guys because these drivers, they're so bad. And so at the end of the day, you just want to make sure you're not taking your clients, so that way, not taking clients. Let's go ahead and redo that, shall we?
Hadouken!